Okay, so today we're making this door hanging thing, and let's start from the beginning. This is your pizza dish, and it's 11¼ inches across on the flattest part. And then I had the placemat. What I did was I ended up flipping it over, and then I found my center and I put a thumbtack in it, and then I had attempted to use a ruler, and if you can see here all of the very different, how many times I've measured and measured and measured. Yeah, not so good. Anyway, but then what I ended up doing was taking a piece of paper and measuring out just over 5½, so it's like 5 5/8. I don't know if you can see that. 5 5/8. So I got my stick, then I put a tack in the end of it there, and then I traced it. I just moved the paper around and then traced out, because I'd attempted to do before and I cut in the wrong spot, so I taped it on the back side. But instead of drawing all over the front, I drew all over the back. You can't really even see where I had to tape it. And then you will hot glue on the back of this, or here the metal's cold so it'll dry faster, but you hot glue and put this down, and then you have enough for 3 rounds with the jute, and you can either string it on one at a time, or I'm going to attempt to do a twist, and then we will hot glue pieces like this. And then of the flowers, I've left some stem pieces on and bent them, so there'll be one angled this way and the other is angled this way. And then the last little piece I've cut as close as I can. Probably could cut closer. I'm using wire cutters, and then putting that down in the center, and we'll be hot gluing that. So whenever it's finished and everything is hot glued together, it will be cute. And then a little piece of jute or yarn or something on the back there, and can hang it on the wall. Okay, hopefully this goes like I hope it will, and there's no telling, because this is new to me too. We're all learning. All right, enjoy.